Enti we kue no baby Sam George na bia wo nyina ye free say ono ankasa e de no abeto chopping board ni so. E fan to call ni DSTV for kun ye say we jaga na hia de ho. Any DSTV kun to kwa at the end of the day to kwa no so bia so was angozi hwe no. When man pre reduction ama DSTV users for no. No ana na Romeo. Any Afia Pokua Vimlady mu chese there be Sam George. Why you confused? Sam George are confused now. Say my hammer e change Sam George. The policy, on the son of crying into baby, when you into Punimo, say you not two Punimona. My mountain will not tell you, Amame, our comment session. I have Penyah Brock Media. May was any demo. Obey like if you do not have a subscribe button, so I can keep notification on the latest update. Tablet to the wide and the Amame, our comment session. May was so baswa. No, I should not force any be ashed. It is sounds that George, or your Minister for Information and Communication. Digitalization crown, as I can be, as in you know, anything concerning communication. Any digitalization ono na adwuma ezenke hu yenke network enye na ya denga Sam George ohwe na osiesie ni nyina data bundle ni waye den no egwe ne nka aye kama o Brazil abusu data bundle go su botwo as network speed no as ne 30 as ne Sudan da what I say as ne Sudan da I remember Airtel Tigo since 1st July Airtel Tigo ye area mu hanum atiko ema biem eda no service my top 4 million data bundle be about kasuru eguso me top 4 million data bundle no first July na start me to ye ni 3 days and the network etiko area mu hanu eguso anu anu Airtel Tigo atiko fon we nyina nke Sam George adwuma sen ka Sam George hwesiesie ene omo tete ne maso na bibia eye kama ese Sam George ejai ene woni DSTV private firm e kuntokwa hunu private company be Sam George ne kuntokwa Emma at the end of the day, and to call Sam George any DSTV no fancy paper be amaso. When to man pay any reduction be out, Sam George to man pay share. Now I know na media also. Now Romeo, any Afia Pokua Vimlady. Omo abe clash with Sam George. In fact, omo tiri say Sam George why so confused. Hey, Sam George are confused here to the point say, "Woni baby wojina po." Who we say, "Oh, Sam George office when na down okura won dibi hu kanjelo."
Sam George need DSTV manso here is an issue that I think is needless. Needless. Yeah, here. Asana yeah, fata. Yeah, what pressing issues were Ghana. No, digitization a program. You see, digitization now about me. I don't come once no. Yeah, you know, be digitization we go chop. You see, sometimes Ghana for no politics in yet. Politics in yet. Politics in yet. We must learn to rise above just politicking, unnecessary politicking. When there's a national agenda, there's a national agenda. If we are seeing now digital, are you kidding me? President Mama Chemunina, Moye about me and say marginal form. Moi low. Program and President Mama digitization. President Mama, in that effect, is telling Obia who did it about them because of say digitization. So what doing from why low? You need room for improvement. You need to learn. Because President Mama say digitization and abstract. And real. And also Obia didn't Jim. And President Mama by one of the key things so any media encounter can is say on checking for IP address. That is a digital agenda. That is a digital agenda. President Mama, even way back about first one, I remember he was one of the people at the piano crusade. He said, on TSS or electoral commission, voters ID card, you were a NHIS card, you were way card, you're finding in a boom. He started digitization agenda no put that dance about me, ever can digitization. Who did he about me at a minute? President Mama, I'm so much no phone to a call back. And now he's saying say digitization, no, and real and abstract. Inti kwambi so no, what the emphasis about me digitization. President Mama say real or the kakra. This is how governance is supposed to be. And low IQ now, more than social media now. Obi so did atem no. So could you come President Mama? But me say under President Mama by Obi to say Sam George or Anto Betchop blog. DSTV in toko hunu needless. Baby anke betimi di effort na ko na ya pa adwuma obi to oboase tutuka onye adwuma boys ya na no ni police for soldier for ko ti ani a etuo tutu nipa hen 13 osan na wi wo oboase ono sa DSTV asem ne fa no ben se bi enye se bi ama you for bob match bi na opa bi aka fa no ho ben Me fear DSTV min kai last time cry obi ani no ho adage sa obi ani no ho adage nti ye niam a hu here be affect the masses na masses na nya ho mfaso enye na DSTV say nya sa we see sa na sam do nyo mo no be press conference. Why are you wasting precious time, energy, effort on DSTV? Meanwhile some do the year o constituency tema o constituency akosi ni ngo pram pram. The whole Ghana headquarters, traffic jam headquarters here. What do you call pram pram? Tema, fit tema motorway runabout. Eko see a Yimiocho, Central University. Ako see a pram pram. Ube did traffic mo 8 hours and Kasamdo, you did the same energy, the same vim. What do call one by now, and Kaye bibi. President Kufomo, a Kufo the Moko, Moya Kaka Kufo, and a Kufoye, Sugako Petema, Sugako Road. A quantity 1 lane pet. Akufo no ba no mso omo ye ho kakra anim ho no bon hospital ho no kakra enka mum pushi nyenye adwuma ne ntem na precious hours a enkrofo ko adwuma ba mo waste wo ho no ye there be oni DSTV before kon. Is this what we voted for? Yes, bra adwuma na bra na oni DSTV before DSTV no kwa so mo wadaje me anka mabubu me koku kakra na me ko because the other investors are watching you.
Madika kase honorable Sam George Obia me penasem because nani yedin me penasem because utumi say onye lazy but ade bi honorable Sam George ho a e wo say ye twe na adwene siso ewi ase se wo ye ade na enipa dodo na e ka say honorable le na uto no hwe ni ya enye ne bone so izan say ye no ma ye ti radio so a ye ne wo kasa no Sabi honorable unnim party ayewo ebetumi abase me kra me kase me ye stanch NDC nipa ana ebetumi so abase me ye stanch MPP nipa you wouldn't know ena sabi oso obi NDC ni a na no so nkire se bibi kobone a wontimi nka ye wo ho kwan se ye kasa ye dwuma no ye wo ho kwan se bibi tochima yetumi ekasa ne yetenetena de no Honorable ya Ghana ha na o share DSTV enkomo yase. Eni emu bi etufu say entoka we ya wo kono emwa. Because DSTV for no ana multi choice for no. Omuntu tuo enkosi Ghana ni bia so say by force onyusu DSTV decoder. Dabi. Enti no we no eye service no mu provide. Ena ne bo odin. Enti Ghana ni no betumi afford no na wa afford they want to me no na we jai na wa pefoforo no ahwe ete se obi ton wache ye to okrom ha yedi no me pacho baby yeti 5 cedis baby yenti 5 cedis eni e ba ne sade honorable eni e wo adwuma ye wo eni e so make sure say wache price nyina ye pe wo Ghana ha. I was also making sure say cocoa price in Yina ewo Ghana ha, which you can do. Honorable Sabaha, Bosume Bakuni Chileni, Ajuma Wuye Yina Koye, multi choice, DSTV, multi choice, DSTV, and meanwhile, said the Nana Yakano, there are still better things to fight for. Menoka say, ye tekos, up to now. Oh, ye call ewo Ghana ha, Chuchu, Obi betumi agina won chen. Number exist here, we say number way exist. And so be friend no, you better catch say number way our friend no does not exist. All these are happening. Honorable, afe entokeya wa kwan. Me no mienu nyina nim say you cannot win this fight. Because multi choice for no, said the mekai no, wo mum force obia wo. Wo mum force obia. Honorable, ya te Ghana ha. Your national television wa Ghana ha. And so Black Stars a crab bola, your national television to me. So these are the things I was a moment when you break. Now your national television, your wo kromano, or to me broadcast matches bisa. And so and koso. But when you know your jatun chain and the near brain and fight multi choice for. They said, dear Wuye, why am I say, Anuina a solitio. If you bra or Mampany John Dramani Mama, I bet now could so as president. Papa no or ye juma pa. Enti no we no eye service no mu provide. Ena ne bo odin. Me no ka say honorable one minister ye pese ye bona baso pa on kasa wonye dede eye minister wonne hwe ye disua Honorable Haruna Idrisu. Education no say beka no kra this man is working so well. It sounds say on my bloggers eni nachi na on my emfa camera toto no sunti no obeka say onye adwuma but he's working. Another minister me pese me bona baso eye Honorable Okujeto Ablakwa. This minister is working. And when we no womma yemfa camera bi ambeto omo so you see edu baby a my nyesa say ye popularity no be no too much of popularity no e ya na dia ngwase na eba. Honorable, you are not pleasing anybody. Do your work as an honorable minister. I am opposition say ye adwuma men ye adwuma thinking say me person ye come asem de bia oh yes sir you fail. Yes rew men kofa enkekaye bia mbeka omampanyina wote akonya so far so good eno mekoye enti hwe ena anam so ama obi anko kasantia omampanyini John Dramani mama because nanu oko your sister station bako na the way woni host ne kasa ne yani anye ho ase na fe wo de abufuo ene kasa some arrogance be no. Don't do that. Some of us, we love you. You are very young. You have a bright future ahead of you. So we starting now here sir. Obema man for the best say adwene no ma bia fa ho e bi kura nya sa na ote. But e bia de wa obufu a untumi nkontrol na o kekan sembi no. Ye be srew. Brofo enya na disika etu obi table so. Obi wo Ghana ha wote brofo pan so hia no. Obi so Ghana ha won tebrofo enso o sikani pa ye hwe krom ha sikafo ye kan wo mom ye sikafo o krom ha me pa cho certificate ban ni krom but they are rich so you forget about English no ya kan English sa so ye bre English ban ye kan wo krom ha but still ye hu direction no tie srew adwobre wo multi choice ntoka no wa kumbia eye you attention free ho na fa attention bra take so no so ene normal bi a ehia ye national television and normal bi no ehia se ye reform ho no me pacho ye ma ye ni attention ko ho na wa ye bi wate ye se be ma be ye bi na wa be ye ni nyina okun bi wo ho a wo be ko anso ntimi nwini na wajai me pacho obi an town out of love ene no kasa e da se
why a press conference bako 4 na some work reduction now over his dead body say obema yetuye sika na yetuya na wo mamu a na wa warn DSTV to the extent say wa finding say every day bia no omuntu ya 10,000 Ghana cedis
in part trying
it is a ne ye wura Sam George iba ya o say ye mo ye nsem ma no because a ne de sika na yetuya na wa ma ye value for money no no aba be catch Ghana for na nya de hosem and then me to have 570 na mitua no and then 579 nya me boa 13th na me be no beso so me kwana me kotua o hwe o mo portanta 570 na the only thing aba be ka ho say o be ma me channels ni bi di aka ho me de den me ne me pena na me se me pe me pe channels fufuro bi aka ho
se so ma me
se 570 no so ma me na me hu se wasem na wo kan no wo di aye adwuma wo ka kire me se me nkoso ntua 570 no na we momu no ne obe ne se wo ade channels na ka ho ama me ete se ma ba tenka me se me ba beto wo echi me ba ya so wo echi ne bi wo ho wo echi ne ye 5 cedis oh me ma wo echi 5 cedis ba me pese me di wole ene macaroni ene salad ka ho ma abra me nka ase me pe ni Sam George di abedu no ene nanim aguase ama Ghana fo nyina hu se the way we see presenting on say nya sa not here enim guase akwa aba enne ahwe unua ba ko Joy News Evans odidi natem obusa ne question o ka kire ne say say Evans sa ko school na understanding of English no e questionable. Look at somebody like Sam George ya odidi Evans men satem say ne understanding of question na obusa na e questionable nti say o sa ko back to school a whole minister ayeye de ye taxi tua oka brakura wo mo bi da bra pa say ye adwuma okọ vetting committee wo say the yere na hwe no Sam George say wo no bra wo mo bi da o tifie na yere na hwe no
ate from church obi bia Sam George on say the obi go bia no na bi twawo ene wo ka kire mahama say mahama nti special prosecutor yen fa omom kakasafin no yen chichi wo mu meboa on say wa yonko NDC ni na ayi wa no se nsam na wo ka no ensam fo na wo ka no ensam tantan na wo ka no enti mama mahama ntie esukon ma bia mahama ntie akora ketekete bia na sabe na dwen wo fom bia na won kwankwa ya ade a ebetimi di sunsuanso abra NDC for daache otase wo Sam George ena de yente special prosecutor ne yemfa wo kakasefin yemfa nti wo mu na wo tama na wo kan say wo position na wo di na nado dan kwa kufuado ne ba wo miatam kum na nado ma ye wo Sam Gemfi wo Sam George wo kasa ne wo kasa ne ase efiri utrum na na ba kan ene de ya nchew MPP wo so de ya nchew ene de wo ba ye no wo benya na social media na kwade kroso no on asukon mete sawo asukon mete sawo wo 42 years kwa wunyaye wo timi kekafo de kire na nado dan kwa akufuado ene baumia ene ihwanwa atem wo mibusa wo baumia ana kufuo ena eka say na nado dan kwa akufuado kan de Japan ene MPP from paying for no why na wo duru no wo Sam George enso kasa efiri won mu ba kan efiri se de efiri utrum ena e ba wo Sam George ena de wo se Mahamante special prosecutor ne fa nche san crofo no ena o mane bo ma ka che wo say ta kasa na o kana ye kasa fin cause court no bi wo dada enti nsem bi wo ho no mo a o mu nko kyerɛkyerɛ wo mu kwan mbafa so wo ma dai so mo ti ase afan wan ti ase afan eti mama hama ntie enkran kitinkiti bia sabe wo madwene wo fom te se wo Sam George cause wadwene wo fom te na ka o mane bo ma ka no wo so wadwene wo fom eti ne mama hama ntie tie mo a madwene wo fom no because wo ya chia ka wo ne di ka che wo kasa fia wo ka kire MPP fom panyifo wo kasa se de firi tunum kan no wo kasa ato anwansa kura mpe ene de wo ba pa wade a yen che sa nkrofo no wo daneti wani mesi mo ba hwa so aba MPP from panyifo when na wo Sam George wo fe no baumia na nado dan kwakufuado I can't say MPP from panyifo no mo nyina wo ho no na mo fira aba no why na wo duru no eso na wo di matem and wo de o man chew ene de wo ka say yenchi ene o mo wiade wo phone so no o mo wiade wo phone so ne o mo bokwa ne fine na sa kasa fina wo di ka ene de o ka se yenchi meboa wo betwa so aba wo Sam George besi wo betwa so aba o kasa se de firi utunu mu ba no ena o mane bo maka no wo se mama
Chira wajo mame e wo comment section ai Penyah Block Media